And today is the 26th of October 2022. We have Rakentajantie becoming one staircase C. It's in Pitäjänmäki, Sukenbacka, close to in Helsinki, it's Uusimaa in Finland. We have just filmed the staircases E and D here. This is the C. We'll go to the staircases B and C as well. The capacity is 4 persons at 325 kilograms, and this one has 7 horses, even better. It was built in 1980, it turned 40 years old in 2020. It was probably from the beginning of 1980. The zero is age 44201. Going to be expected next year, 2023. Also deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
But no memory.
No. Spektitpaaliftis tuotanut meitä pääkaupunkiseudullisessa keskus.
I think some of them we saw also chaos as a watch, but here it's B.
Yeah.
B is the original one. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stage.
That's